Hello, amazing English 2 students. So by now you have completed Module 4 and Module 5 in Segment 2 of English, and we wanted to just give you a little preview of what to expect in Module 6. So what is Module 6 about? Basically, you're going to learn about universal theme, and you're going to learn about something called coming of age. So you're going to read a short story exploring that topic and then learn about some coming of age rituals around the world. So inevitably in Module 6, you are creating an essay. You're going to choose and research a coming of age ritual from around the world. You can choose one. And in Lesson 6.06, you will be submitting an expository essay describing that ritual using 3 credible sources and including a works cited page. This is very similar to, if you did segment 1 with us, this is very similar to the Module 3 human rights essay. Same type of format, just a different topic that you are researching. So first thing you're going to do is in Lesson 6.02, and there's a couple of quizzes sprinkled in there, so that's why the lessons might skip around a little bit. But in Lesson 6.02, you're going to choose a short story to read. There are, I believe, 4. There's 4 to pick from. They are listed right here. Rules of the Game, The Jacket, The Bass, The River, Sheila Mant, and American History. And each one of these stories has a universal theme, and it talks about this concept of coming of age, that transition from childhood to adulthood. So this is kind of your first glimpse into that. Then once you complete 6.02, this is where the work on your actual essay starts. So you are going to choose a coming of age ritual from around the world. And think of this as, these are the things that we do to celebrate that transition from childhood to adulthood. Kind of like here in America, we have Sweet 16 celebrations, right? We have a big party, you get your license. These are a couple pictures that show some different coming of age rituals, like a quinceañera in Latin American cultures. I don't remember what this one is called in Japan, but this is what they do when they turn 20. This is the bullet ant tradition. This is from Brazil in the Amazon jungle. And then the bar mitzvah or bat mitzvah in the Jewish culture. So these are some different examples, and there are more out there. So you will choose one of these rituals to explore. And if you happen to have personal experience, like if you are Jewish and you wanted to do a bat mitzvah or bar mitzvah, that would be amazing because you can include that personal experience in your essay. So once you choose your coming of age ritual, 6.03 is crucial. Please make sure you are carefully reading when you get to this lesson, each slide in the lesson, because it's going to show you the prompt for your essay. An expository essay is what you are writing. And the prompt is, as young people transition into adulthood, diverse cultures around the world have different coming of age rituals. After you've researched your ritual, describe it to your audience. So what does this ritual mean? Who celebrates it? What do they do during the ritual? What is it like? And you will be expected to have chosen your coming of age ritual and already started to work on your introduction before your DBA. Your DBA will come next in 6.04, and in 6.03, it has you start working on your introduction. So please be prepared for that to discuss with your teacher. After your DBA, you are going to conduct your research. You are going to find some credible sources, 3 credible sources on your coming of age ritual that you found. And these are just some suggestions, and this is all in the lesson for 6.03, 6.05 as well. And then obviously the final step, once you have chosen your topic, your coming of age ritual, you have researched, you have 3 great credible sources, you are going to actually write your essay. You will submit this essay in 6.06. You will need to include a works cited page, and all throughout the lessons for 6.03, 6.05, and 6.06, they give you tips for how to cite your sources and for your essay. And this is what the worksheet will look like. You will include your draft as well as answer these reflection questions. So that's Module 6 in a nutshell, and we have some more resources for you as you continue and start working in the actual module.